Hi guys, greetings of the day. Myself Vijay Tawardhan, and in this session we are going to discuss about the construction of isometric projection. And an example problem is like this. The following figure shows the front and side views of a solid. Draw the isometric projections of the solid. So according to this, here the figures have been given. Now by analyzing the figure, we have a 30 mm square prism of 60 millimeter length is attached to another 30 millimeter square prism of 60 millimeter height in the fashion of a T-shaped hammer. Now let me show you how to draw this solution for the same. It's a very simple solution, it's not so complicated. So let me show you how to complete this one. So using a line command with a thickness of 0.5 and a continuous line. So now let me draw a 30 millimeter square first in the isometric projection. So 30, 30. So 30, 150, 30 minus 150 and get back to the first portion, or 30 minus 30. And then from the center, we have to locate the axis height of 60 millimeter like this. Now this is going to be the representation of our axis, is supposed to be a chain line like this. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this square which is at the bottom. Then using a move copy on, this square is going to be positioned at a height of 60 millimeter like this. Then using a line command with a thickness of 0.5, so one can complete all the required edges like this, and invisible edges, let me delete it like this. Now one can see that this is the required isometric projections of the given combination with respect to one of the object. The other object is also there. So other object, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this square prism. Then using a move command, I'm going to move this separately, and then make use of a rotate command. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate this in such a way that this become a vertical line like this. Otherwise, uh, horizontal line, or it can be rotated at an angle of 120 degree like this. Now one can see that this is how the figure is going to be, and now one can see that this is the required positions. That is, this figure is rotated in this fashion, and then make use of a command called as move this object with respect to the midpoint of a line here. Then switch off the copy, and it has to be positioned exactly at the midpoint of the 60 mm one of the vertical edges like this. Now one can see that this is going to be the required isometric projections of the given combination of the solids. And then what I'm going to do is, after getting these things, so with respect to the visibility, we have to do certain changes. What are those changes? Using the trim command, these portions is going to be trimmed. Now one can see that this is going to be the required isometric projection, and see, this is single block, so hence these lines are also supposed to be trimmed. Now this is what the required isometric view or a drawing. Now we have to select this figure, and after selecting these figures, using a scale command, so we will reduce it to isometric projection using isometric scale of 0.8164 times. Now one can see that this is the required isometric projections of the given combination of the solid, which is as shown in the figure. Now if you are having any sort of doubts to solve this problem, please feel free to contact me, and my details are provided here. And if you liked this video, you can press the like button, and also you can share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you are more interested, you can press the bell icon so that you will be getting more and more video updates as and when it is going to be updated in the YouTube. And once again, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, guys.